Here we have a retrofit in-deck motorized roller. The reason the motorized roller can only go in deck is because the motorized roller sits lower down in the cavity. So we need to make sure we make allowance for the roller and blanket to roll up. This particular installation was a bit tricky. As you can see, we have a gal flashing over a joist which sits almost in the middle of the cavity pit. What we've had to do is extend the brackets low down in the pit so that we can accommodate the roller and avoid the joist. So on any difficult installation, we're able to custom design brackets, rollers, etc. Just to make the system work. When pulling this out onto the pool, it is motor assist, and when drawing it into the cavity, it is fully automated. So with the motor assist, in this particular instance, we are pushing the blanket up about 650 mil in the cavity, out onto the deck and onto the pool. So while it looks like there's a bit of resistance when pulling it onto the pool, it is very easy to pull the blanket out. And again, this is sitting 650 mil down in the cavity, so we have a lift and then a pull. Okay, first off, what we do is we grab the blanket, pop it up onto the side of the decking here, and then we press our remote button that will pull the blanket into the cavity. And the great thing about this blanket, our sun boom end, or the sunbeam boom end, this thing doesn't have a PVC pole, so it's not going to bend, bow, or break the pool edges, and just simply pops up on the side into the pool cavity, and then that's us rolled up. So when we roll the blanket, pull it out of the cavity onto the pool, we simply press the button, and then we'll stop it just as we get onto the top of the decking. Then we'll go to the other end of the pool, and we'll be pulling this onto the pool as we pull it out. Click the button to start, and then that will be fed out onto the pool. So this is semi-automated, so we do need to pull this out onto the pool. That's got a 150 mil motor. The limit will stop where we've set it. Close the lid, and that's it.